are important points. So please open mind se suniye. Over to you, Chandra sir.
Thank you, Wasim. I think in the morning time, so आप लोग शायद you are not in position to switch on the video because इतना छोटा गैदरिंग में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वीडियो ऑन करके सुनने के लिए because this is serious meeting. Because I have not called many people, only you people only have called, very few people, and today I will be trying to do only in English only. See what for today I called all of you. This is a very special thing. We all know things. We have already started the business. We are doing the business very well, in a big way. We are expanding our business. But to be very frank, we should know details, the basic things, how the money comes. Because what for we have started this business? We have started the business mainly because to make money and make our life comfortable so that we can be financially free. It is not just like earning of 1 or 2,000 or 5,000 by selling few products or 10,000 or selling some products and having 1 or 2 sales team. Not like that. It is we are building the business for a real asset building business, a building which comes continuously. That is the reason I told today's topic is profitability as well as sustainability. See, this, for example, MA gives money to all of us just by volume, how much volume you're doing. They're not seeing how many people you have shown the plan, how many people are there in your team, but their main concern that volume generation because they are in the business. But they also give volume plus structure. Why I'm so particular about the structure and what exactly the structure is, first let us understand what exactly the meaning of structure. We all know, let's say for example, you are here. Now you have sponsored few people. That means few areas are there below you. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 4, maybe 10, maybe 15. I don't know. I'm not telling that. That is called structure. Means this is called width. In the structure, this is called width. How many people are there in your front line? Either you can call it as a front line or you can call as your legs. Whatever you want, you can say. It is a width. How much big you are. That is the most important thing. As big as you are, you know that your profitability will be more. Why? Simple things. Say, for example, this gentleman is doing 100 PV business. He is also doing 100 PV business. He is also doing 100 PV business. You are also doing, and you are also doing 100 PV. So total is how much? Say 500. Say, for example, one more person is there. He is also doing 100 PV. So total is how much? 600. So you are at 6% level, right? And all your friends, they are less than 200 PV. In that case, what is happening? All are at 0% level. You know our levels also, how we generate our things. So they are at 0% level. All are at 0% and you are at 6%. You know differential commission, how it comes? The difference between you and your front line. So your front line is at 0%, you are at 6%. So what is the differential commission? 6%. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6%. So you are getting 6% from this leg, you are getting 6% for this leg, you are getting 6% for this leg. All legs, they are getting 6%. So your earning is quite high. That means total 600 PV, you are getting 6% only. Your personal commission as well as your downline commissions also group. So total commission, you are getting a 6% because nobody is earning any commission level. You are the only commission level. In a similar fashion, if you are having this type of people, 100 people, you have regularly increasing your width. You are very expert in expanding your width because people listen to you, you are doing this and you are regularly. So everybody is doing say 100 PV business. So you are at 10,000 points. Now your earning is enormous. On 10,000 PV, you are getting 21% plus all etc. put together, your earning will be more than 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. But generally, what we say that one silver producer or one platinum will earn maximum 70 to 80,000 or maximum 1 lakh rupees, right? So monthly earning, when I'm talking about 1 lakh, but there is an opportunity that you can earn more than 3 lakhs. Then why we should not go for that? Keep on increasing. But my dear friends, you are keep on increasing your width. And if nobody is making money, if these people are not making any money, they are hardly making few hundreds rupees. So why they will remain in the business? So only by increasing width, you may increase your profitability, but business will not sustain for a long time. Is it clear? Up to this, any doubt is there, you can ask me. So what we should do? That means you should make a balance. Balance of what? Balance of width as well as depth. That means they also should start making money. They also should start making money. Your deaf people, let me say, for example, this gentleman, he is also earning at 1200 PV. That means he is at 9% level. Here, your differential commission is less. 21 minus 9%, that much of only differential commission, more than 11% commission you are getting. Whatever it may be, 12% commission. You are getting 12% commission. So here, from this, instead of total 21%, you are getting only 12% earning. So you think my profitability is getting less. Yes, your profitability is getting less, but definitely he is making money, so he will keep on growing. That is the called gift. The people who are below you, the people who have joined under your weight, they are called your depth. So there should be a balance between width and width. Otherwise, say for example, if somebody is not able to sponsor for his own width, he is not increasing his width, he is not becoming a wide, and he is only got 1 or 2 people, and they are working. Say he also become 15%, and he is also become, say, 12% or something like that. In that process, you become what? 4,000 plus 2,000, almost more than 18% you got. Okay. Say for example, this gentleman is at 18% and this gentleman is at 50%. 2 solid legs you are having. Very solid. So you are very happy. I have 2 solid legs. 2 people are working. So what is how much you are getting from here? Now you are at 21%. You are getting only 3% from here, and you are getting 6% from here. You are getting money. I'm not denying it. You are not getting money. But here, your earning will be not be more than a lakhs rupees. It cannot be. It will be maximum hardly 70 to 80,000 rupees. Maximum. But this is a very good thing. I'm not telling it is bad, but this is not a proper structure. It is not balanced. Some people are very good in sponsoring one person and he is only focusing here. And he is slowly becoming 18%. Till he is 18%, maybe he has generated something. When he becomes, say, 9,000, maybe he has generated somewhere with the customers and all put together 1,000 PV. Little money he got, but this gentleman will not remain at 9,000 because he is a big leader, so he will become 10,000. And you are at, say, for example, 1,000 PV. How much you are getting now? The 21% of this 10,000 PV he will generate, he will get, and you are getting how from 1,000 PV 21%. So hardly you will get few thousands. But you are a silver producer. You are a platinum. You're not platinum, you're a silver producer. Because to become a platinum, at least you should have your side volume of minimum 4,000 PV. Either with 1 leg, or with 2 legs, or with 3 legs, or with 4 legs. But as big wide it is, balancing between all the legs, your profitability will be more. So always focus on width and depth combination. That is the best part of it. And for that reason, AMA also, to promote these particular things, they also started giving some extra commission if your structure is good. Because previously, people used to become a platinum, but with two legs. People wish to become Sapphire, but with two legs. But Sapphire you cannot become with two legs, because again you have to have a side volume of 4,000, then only you can become a Sapphire. And Emerald, at least 3 legs who are becoming a Platinum. And there your financial freedom will come. Real financial freedom when you can become Emerald. So our job is to increase the money, lot of money. People, I know people who are just a bronze producer, he is making more money than so-called platinum or so-called silver producer. Silver producer with one, if he is a silver producer, naturally he cannot make that much of money, right? So main purpose, how we can improve this, how we can balance this, how we can balance width and depth. So don't focus only on the one person and just run with him. Initial stage, your job should be sponsor as many as people as possible. Say, for example, in a first batch, as Bill Gates one CD we have seen long back when we have started the business, because we understand there is a huge money is there in MA business, but people are telling us paisa nahi hai. Why? Because they are not building the business in a right way. Their foundation is not strong enough. So when you are building the business, your foundation should be very strong. And how we can create that foundation? In a starting phase, your job is to get as many as people possible, because initially you cannot screen people. You don't know who is going to build business or not, who is going to become an entrepreneur or not, who is really looking for the opportunity or not, what is there in that, whether really some people are looking or not. So that kind of people you will not find. People may join, you're sponsoring 1 or 2%, and then you're just focusing on 1 or 2%. In that process, what is happening, that particular person may not sustain for a long time, because neither your mindset is ready nor his mindset is ready. So both are not properly building the business. He is also maybe sponsor 1 or 2%, or he just buying some products, and after some time when he's not able to make money, he will quit, because maybe some people will say this business will not work, why you are doing unnecessary things, already you are busy again and again and all the things. So in that process, what is going to happen, he may quit after some time. So what has happened, you have focus, you have sponsored 1 or 2%, and you are just focused and given your total money, time, energy, everything you are invested there. When that person will die, again you may sponsor 1%. Again, after some time, you keep on working with him, keep on working with. After some time, he may or he may not work. If he may work, good. But if he may not work, again your frustration will start. Like that, if 1, 2, or 3 people after sponsoring, you feel that nobody is working, you start feeling that this business will not work. Even the decision what you have taken, that I will build this business, the business what you have seen that time, all of a sudden that will die out. That is what is happening to majority of people. People are joining, but after sometimes all excitement is going down, because they may approach few people. They will say that I have talked to many people, but they might have talked to some few people. No. First, you remember that in this business, first you should take a decision. First you have to understand really this business money is there or not. Really this business is ethical or not. Really this business I can build or not. When you are confident, then only you first take up the business. So first job of any person who comes to you is that you should understand that he is really looking for this opportunity or not. And then if they do that, then let them sponsor as many people as possible from the starting. By sponsoring 1 person, you should not keep quiet. At least minimum your when you are wide by at least 6 people, 6 front line is there. 6 ADR you have sponsored, 6 ADR you have converted to ADR. Maybe out of 6 ADR, maybe only 3-4 people will become an ADS. And you have to work with that. Out of 6%, I expect, generally as per law of average, at least 2 people, you will get a right ADS, business builder. And there you go layer by layer. Again, you sponsor few people for him. Sponsor means not from his list. Just help him that he should sponsor few people. And from there again, you will get maybe 1 person. Again, here you have to focus and you have to work here. You have to do 4 basic here and you have to work there and you have to do that. Means 1 person, say for example, I have sponsored, say Shravan. Now I should, if I just confident of Shravan only, then I should work with him and create his width first. From there, I have to identify 1 or 2 right person, and then I can go deeper. So to identify 1 or 2 person, at least Shravan should have 6 or 8 people. Till he, that is, there is a no number. Number is just a probability. 80-20 is a probability. Maybe starting you can, you will get all the good people. After that, you will get all the batches of wrong people. You don't know what is going to happen. But as per statistic, 80-20, you are going to get, if you sponsor 4 people, at least you will get 2 people. And with those 2 people, you will be working in the depth in the same fashion. And then your upline is going to help. For these 2 legs, your upline is going to help. When these legs will have some light and you are learning, then you are trying to do the same thing, even if you're not doing, but more important than again, you have to sponsor another fresh 6 people. Again, from there, you may get 2 people. So what happened? That means if you sponsor 6 plus 6, you get at least 4 right persons. This right person may be your front leg, front person, or maybe somewhere in the depth. You don't know. Maybe 1 person has just sponsored 1 person and he is building the width. So whoever has built the width, from there you can segregate, find 1 or 2 persons. If he is not having width, you don't know. You have to work only with that 1 person, and whether you work or not, I don't know. So at least 3-4 people or 6 people, if you are sponsored, from there you will definitely get 2 people, and there as an upline you have to work. Full work, it's total depth driving. That time you can slow your width building. I'm not telling you need to slow with the digital technology, but I'm telling you may a little bit slow, but your main focus on the building the 2 persons. But first, starting onwards, you should not try to build people. You try to find people, at least 6 people, because your upline is there. He is seeing, and he will filter out of 6 any 2 person, 2 or 1, depending on you, or maybe 3 sometimes. Everything is nothing is fixed. What is going to happen, you don't know. It entirely depends on your leadership, how you are taking them up. But more important is numbers. If numbers is not there, you cannot filter. Just don't stop by sponsoring 1 or 2 persons. Your business will never work. You should have addiction of sponsoring people. See, you are having the best kind of product, best opportunity at hand. Why you are not able to talk to the people? You say that I don't have this. I will not believe it. You don't have the dream, or you have not taken a decision, strong decision. You have people around you, because there are plenty of people are coming from US and they are building the business totally here. We cannot say that I don't know people. I am not looking for that, because I myself has not understood. I have not understood the potential of the business. So when you understand the potential of the business, you just keep on doing. So That means what I mean to say, whether 12 people, out of 12 people you get 4, whether from 15 people you get 4, or whether you get 4 people you get 4, it depends on the type of persons you are talking to. But always better to sponsor more number of people. Always you cannot filter. We are doing the process steps, we are filtering people, but even after filtering also, you may get or you may not get. Because I know people after a lot of, because now at present, for example, I have a lot of experience. So after a lot of filtering also, when I sponsor people, starting they're very serious, but not a single work I am not able to do it. They're not able to do it because they have still having a doubt in their hand, which they're not coming out, but fact is fact. So it is always better, don't depend on that person. And now if every day you keep on talking to him only, karo bhai, karo bhai, karo bhai, that means your posture is getting lost. And he is also not building the business. It will much bad actually. If you keep on focusing one person, I'm telling you, you can never build a business. So first, our job is to get lot of people. Width you have to increase. Keep on increasing your width. And when you keep on increasing your width, your filtering process is correct. And 2 legs, your upline will take care. But you have to give the people. If you're not able to give the people, upline what he can do. So your 2 legs will be taken care. Now your job is to do the same thing with another 2%. And getting 2% means at least in his depth, 3-4 layers is there. 1%, that leg is not sustainable because from 4 people you will get 1%. So that again, that will keep on increasing. As you are going in the width, more numbers, in the depth also you have to go numbers. Slowly you can go, but first you increase your width. Don't focus all these things. These things will be giving focus by your upline in the initial stage. Till you are equipped, you have total knowledge, you have total leadership. Till that time, he is always there. Otherwise, also he'll be there because he also need one tap root. This is called tap root, and that is the reason always in our business I have seen with our experience that more than 70%, more than 50% business comes from the first leg. Initial stage when I have built a business, my 80% business comes from only one leg. It is not that I have not sponsored people. I sponsor many people. And I started giving focus to them. The result already is known to you. Your business from taproot will be always strong because there your upline is always there. So taproot will be always long. It is a basic thing because there your foundation is becoming strong. Always remember in any tree, the taproot is making the tree stronger. As the taproot goes below, down, the tree is more stronger. So there your upline is there. So you don't need to worry at all. But other legs, you have to focus more and more and build the depth in a similar person. There also you try to find one taproot from each leg. At least one taproot and one loop just to make this person profitable. It may be this person or it may be this person. If he is working, just keep on doing and one leg you focus and then let him create another legs. That is the identification. But it all starts, everything you can do, all the strategy you can manage because your upline is there. But what all these things first starting is number of legs. Now our first goal is what? To become 4 legs at least above 3% so that you can reach BFI. Because BFI, how it gives? If you are at 1200 PV and 3 legs, 3% and above. But 3 legs, 3%, you cannot reach to 1200 PV. Right, natural, because 200, 200, 200, 600. But another 600 from where you generate? From other small legs which you have just sponsored. They are not doing much, 50 PV, 100 PV and other things. Those people and your own customer base. Because when you keep on increasing your weight, you will create a lot of customers. Because many people will join as an area, but ultimately they will remain as a customer only. So our first focus is to create more and more ADR, because they are going to be your permanent customer afterwards. Don't need to worry at all. Maybe initially you are going to lose some CSI and other things. Don't worry, because anyway you are having a customer base. Because many people will just see the business, but they will take some products only. So you don't need to worry for the customers, because products are so good. If you know about the product, products will move. You don't need to move the products. The products automatically will move. Only you have to tell people. Only you have to tell that I have this. Now, if that is the case, why we are telling 3%? So BFI structure, AMI has told that at least you should have 1200 PB, and structure wise, at least 3 legs should be 3%. But I said 4 legs, because always we move with a stepney. Stepney is like whether you drive a car or whether you are driving a scooter or you are driving whatever it may be, you will be needing one stepney, because you don't know this month maybe he is having a festive season. He is more initial stage people will not be entrepreneur. They will be more festive focus or this focus or function focus or some focus. So every month same thing may not happen for that particular person. So some month he will work, some month he may not work. So you must have another stepney leg. So fourth leg, till all the fourth leg are stronger. Now, when a 3% legs comes, how a 3% leg should be? Just like buying 200 PV, if some leg is 3%, that is not a sustainable PV, or that is not a sustainable leg also. So what you should do, a 3% means at least he should have 2 ADRs. Maybe they are doing 50 PV or whatever it may be, 100 PV, but in that case, at least slowly, he has sponsored 2 persons. Next month, again, he will sponsor 2%. So from these 4 people, at least you may get 1 in the depth. So that leg will be sustainable 6%. So always you try to focus on sustainability. Just by 1 month, 6%, somebody came, you should not be happy. Once if he 6% came, he cannot go back below that, because his structure is for 6%. Just for namesake, recognition sake, I am not a 6%. I am 6% because my sustainability, I have a structure. By buying myself, I have done 6%. That is not a right. I'm not saying that is bad. 6% people can become. But still, when you are a 6%, you should have at least 2 solid legs, 2-3% legs, so that next month 9% also you cannot buy and become a 9%. And that is the reason, till that time, these people should be capable of going to 300 or something like that, or 400 or 600. Then only you can return. So next topic is BBI. That is the reason MA, again, this structure has created, so that at least 3 legs are 6% legs. In a BBI structure, what happened? 3 legs are more than 6%. It may be 600 PV, it may be 700 PV, it may be 1000 PV, or it may be 9%, whatever it may be, but more than 6%, not 3%. 3 legs. Again, you should have a stepney of another leg 6%. Solid business. I'm telling you, this BBI structure is a solid structure, because other than that, you are having some customers at small legs, because you have not stopped sponsoring. So you're earning that time more than 45,000 rupees. This is BBI structure. Whatever has been shown in the figure, you should make that much money. I become a BBI, but I'm earning 25,000 rupees. That means you have to improve your structure. Now, I'm not saying bad, but you have to improve. I am 12%, but I'm not earning, say, 25,000 rupees. That means my structure is poor. So I have to improve upon the structure. Talk to your upline. He will guide each and every moment. And exactly like that, you improve, keep on improving your structure. Money is there in the structure. I can tell you, money is not there by buying some volume. Some persons are buying Apsa this month, some person are buying this artist this month, or Queen selling or something, and you have made a lot of this business. That business may not be sustainable, and that business may not be profitable. So you focus on this BBI and BFI in a starting stage. MA has given a beautiful thing. We otherwise also wish to say eagle, double eagle, same structure, same thing. We used to say 4. Now also we are telling 4. MA is telling 3, but we are telling 4. Because to make it more stronger and more profitable, always focus on these 2 terms. Essentially, today I have used the 2 terms, profitability and sustainability. One person can become 12%. I have many people in my legs. I became a 12%, but after that, I'm not able to maintain the dot. I became a BBI, but after that, I'm not able to maintain the BBI. I became a silver, but I'm not able to maintain the silver C. So I remain silver for lifelong. Once a person is remain silver for getting recognized for silver for more than 3 months, that means he is not a silver. More as soon as he completes 3 months in any fiscal year, he will calendar year rather, he will become a gold producer. If he maintain for 6 months, he will become a platinum. Then why he is 6 months, say 21% for such a long time? Okay, for BBI and BFI, you will not understand. But again, in BFI also, if I remain for BFI for 1 year, everybody will understand you are BFI only for maybe 1 month or 2 months. And we are not building the business for others' sake. We are building the business for our own money. We are here to make a lot of money so that our life will become more comfortable, and then all other issues will be sorted out. All issues will be sorted out. So, and there is the money. Huge money is there. But you have to keep on increasing it, because once if you have these 4 solid strong legs, where also in the depth also 4 layers or 5 layers are there, I can tell you that there your emulsive is just waiting. Because in 1 leg maybe you will get few platinum. So always in the build bit, he says, I'm not going to that big thick level at this moment. That 1 leg is sustainable, permanent, fixed, real asset, when in that leg there are at least 4 platinums, 1 by 1, depth, and that leg is sustainable. That leg will never give less than 10,000 PV for lifelong, and there the business is auto drive. So you should build a business like that. Once you create the legs in a proper way, it will be auto drive. After that, you don't need to worry at all for the business, but next month whether I will maintain or not. So this is what now it is a questions answer. I request each one of you, whoever have any doubts, any questions, please to ask. I have tried my level best to show you what exactly profitability and for this last point I will tell you, of course, all these things, even if it appears that it is a bit confusing, but this is just basic knowledge. You must understand this. And to get this particular structure, this what I have told, that 4 solid legs, where your business is a solid business, just follow one thing. If today you follow this particular slogan, I can tell you business will go. Already we have taken many times this slogan, but we are not really serious about it. Just be serious about it. There will be a lot of challenge will come in the process. You all have challenge to even switch on the videos. But you remember, if this type of meeting is there, we have to go to the meeting place, how much time, how much money we used to spend. But there we used to sit down and make a note. But here, that possibility is not there, because here other facilities there. Because we are getting, so digital is giving facilities, but digital is not, people are not taking that seriously. You have to take this thing seriously and just follow one slogan, my dear. Every month, without fail, minimum 1 joining, minimum 100 business, you should start from at least from your joining to 3 months. You all are 3 months. You all need a better structure. So just doing it. Who are having a lot of width, focus the same thing in the depth. 3 layers you should have, 4 layers you should have in the depth each. And that leg you can say, this is my leg. Others, today he is there, tomorrow he may be there, he may not be there. Till that time, you keep on increasing so that you can say that this is my solid leg, this is my second leg, this is my third leg. Now, who is your first leg, which second leg, which third leg, you are not sure of it. So every month, if you just keep on doing till you get 4 people, till now, I don't know, till you get 4 people, till you become an emerald. Because once if you get the solid 4 people, where also you are getting a depth of 4 people, I can tell you your emeraldship road is clear and your earning is more than 3 lakhs is required. And that is the main aim for you should build a business. Platinum ship will come. Hardly the way I said this slogan, if you follow, hardly I can tell you, hardly 2 years. Where actually speaking, so-called small financial freedom already you are having. Actually, emeraldship is a wealthy structure, but okay, at least you're financially you're free. See, one from asset every month keep on ongoing and ongoing. If you are getting 1 lakh rupees, nothing like that. And for that, what you're doing, what comes, what goes, one sponsoring and minimum customer volumes or whatever it may be, ADR volume or PC volume, try to generate 100 people. In 1 month, it may not happen, but any person who is building the business for 3 months, from that onwards, he should have that capability. If you are not able to do it, somewhere, something you have to learn. Maybe inviting you have to learn, maybe creating list you have to learn, whatever it may be, or maybe regarding products you should learn, whatever you have. Means not happening means it is you have to build yourself. No other reason. That list is not there, no reason. That person is not doing, no reason. Reason is I have to build myself. And fortunately, you are having the mentors, and we are always there to help you at any moment. Only challenges will come. I know each one of you, because you all are busy people. Whoever has come today, all are quite busy people. Somehow they are building the business part-time. But again, all are in a very comfortable job. Don't mind it. Fact is that all of us are very comfortable there. But only one thing, my dear friends, I can tell you today. Comfortable zone, when I say that I am in a comfortable position, believe me, actually that is stopping your all the success in life. What you are supposed to get, what God has given to you, what is there, abundance is there, he is stopping you because you are basically a lazy person. Basically lazy person. Second point, challenges. When you see something great, with one story I will tell you, it's a Ramakrishna Paramahansa's story or somewhere. You might have heard, but definitely it is a very right thing, because all of us are, whenever I'm talking, they may have some challenges. So this month sponsoring I'm not able to do because this challenge. This month I'm not able to do because this sponsoring. But to be very frank, you are building your business. You are not building your upline business. Upline will find somebody. You have to find this business for yourself. So excuse whatever you're telling, it is not possible because you have not seen that this business, if you are successful emerald or you are successful platinum, all those problems can be raised or not. First, you clarify that. If you're confident, then don't look back. Just do it, because one sponsoring and 100 PV is not a big deal. Actually, you are supposed to sponsor with your caliber, with your posture. I can tell you, you can sponsor. When I have sponsored all of you, I know that you can do the miracle. Okay, you are taking time, no problem, because you are in comfort zone. From there, you need to come out. Challenges will come. You will not see challenges if you're not focused on the challenge. You focus on your dream. We all know all these topics. Story, what I was telling, I will close it. Say, for example, you are having a 2-room. In the 2-room house, somebody said that your adjacent room is having a lot of trays. The adjacent room, in that adjacent view, wall is there. Can you break, because you can make it a big? Look, how can I break? Yeah, this is such a heavy wall. I cannot break. Even if I try, I'm not able to break. No, I'm just telling you, if you can break, it's a good no for you. I'm just able to tell, can you break it? He will give all the excuse that he cannot break it. But if somebody say that just that room, lot of treasure is there, and that is also for you, if you can break open, you can get it, because otherwise that is getting wasted. Your ancestral property is there. But you have to break this wall, then only you can get that, access that. Now you tell me, can he break it now? Yes, he can break it. He will bring bulldozer if it is required, but he will break it, because he is confident of that things. That treasure is there. We are not able to see. I have seen that in my long back, more than almost 30 years, or almost more than 25 years. So 25 years back, I have seen, and that is when I was also supposed to be a comfort zone. Supposed to be. All my friends were comfort zone, said not join with me. But I have seen the things. What is there? I have seen the benefit of this. Inside, what is there? I have seen people in my own eyes, and I started believing. And that to that time, business was not big enough. Subhasis that time only just a safe Sapphire, not even Emerald, when I have joined. But Sapphire that time, it was a very big position, very big. We cannot imagine, actually speaking. With that, I believed that what is there inside, because I have seen many other stories. How not Hall Newell, why they are building such a big business. Then I have analyzed, and you all have analyzed already. You have capabilities of analyzing. And after analysis, no challenge will come to you. It is your business, you have to build it, and I hope you will do fantastic job. Increase width as much as possible. Increase width. Focus on creation of ADR daily, not every month, not possible. One, maybe 2, 3. One is too less. You sponsor, you see, for example, again, you at least show 10% people. 10 people, if you show the plan, I can tell you 100% there will be 2 joining will be there. So every month, 2 joining focus. The GIP, what is that growth point, what I said, 10 points. 10 points, only one sponsoring 10 points will come. 2 points, then focus on your PV generation 100 points, like the 3 months, 3.9%, and automatically you change the pin 10 points. So even if you focus only the very minimum things of 10 points, you can get it. But if you are serious, more serious about it, you can do more. Sponsor, focus on at least 2 joining per month, not 1 joining. Because you may not be very good in retailing part of it. Many people are doing 200 PV, 300 PV retailing. You may not be, but you are having capabilities of sponsoring people more and more. Don't think that he is not going to join. Everybody is going to join if you understand your opportunity properly, if you give the opportunity in a proper way. Thank you, my dear. Now, anything anybody wants to ask? Pawan, you want to ask anything?
No, Uncle. It's quite clear.
101.